Hello everyone! Some recipes just make you smile, and this is one of them. These little flour cup cookies need just 3 ingredients and comes together in 10 minutes. Perfect for tea time and kids treat too. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Take a clean dry bowl, and starting with the first ingredient, we will take butter, of course. In case you wish to switch to using clarified butter, you can very well do so. Next, we will add in the icing sugar or home ground powdered sugar. Now when you try making this recipe, make sure to whisk in the sugar and butter well, as the dough may go dry when you add the flour, and it will be difficult to shape the cookies. Simply mix it enough to get it to this consistency. Finally, our last ingredient, of course, the all-purpose flour. Now when you add the flour, make sure to add it in batches. This will help you to get the right consistency, and in case your dough goes dry, you can always add a teaspoon or 2 of milk. If you'd like to know how to swap this flour with the whole wheat flour, do write to me in the comments below. Eventually bring it all together with the help of your fingertips, as we do not want to knead the dough. This is the right consistency we are looking for. Once done, we will bring out the rolling mat to work with the dough. At this point, I'd like to mention that the recipe is so versatile you can bake them with any different style, like if you wish to top it with some chocolate chips or nuts, or even a jam filling of your choice. Now when you're rolling the dough, make sure to use just a little flour, as the dough may go dry if added too much. Simply roll it out to a thickness of about less than a 1/4 inch. And now, using a cookie cutter, we will simply cut out the cookie shapes. You can find the link for the cutter in the description box below. Now this may look like not much of a dough, but you can easily get up to 20 such cookies from this batch. And taking a bench scraper, we will simply scoop the cookies and start shaping them. Fold the petals inwards gently, pressing them to hold its shape. And all you got to do is use those little paper cups and place your cookies in them, just like that. Similarly, repeat the same for the rest of the dough, but make sure to seal in any cracks on the bottom if you see. And this way we get 20 such pretty little cookie cups ready to be baked. Now bring out your baking tray, and this time you won't need to line it with parchment paper to place the cups. In addition, you can also bake a double batch in one go, as these won't need any more space than the cups alone, so you can place them close to each other. These are ready to go into the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes with the bottom rod on, but make sure to keep a watch. These look perfectly baked, with an ever so light browning on the edges. Time to see how they've turned out on the inside. Perfectly baked on the bottom as well. Allow them to cool completely before we get the topping ready. I just love chocolate, So what I've taken here is a ready hazelnut chocolate spread. It's so creamy and smooth that it'll just melt in your mouth with the cookies. Just drop a dollop into the cavity of the flour cookie. And if you like, you can fill it up with some peanut butter or even a fruit jam. It'll work great with the chocolate on top. Having said that, we will now take some melted chocolate and drizzle it over the nut spread. This will help seal it, and you can keep them stored in a jar without having to worry about smudging the filling. Swapping the dark chocolate, you can also top some of the cookies with white chocolate too. Gives a pretty look to the clusters on a plate. These are now ready to be served. Pretty as they look. Simply irresistible, I'll say. Don't you think? I think they can easily adorn a birthday party as an activity with the kids for a baking theme party, or even go as gift hampers for the return giveaways. Let us slice one to see how they've turned out on the inside. So creamy and delicious, you simply can't stop with one. Give this recipe a try and I'm sure you'll love it. And if you'd like more such easy recipes from my ebook, simply drop in a comment and I'll share the link with you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.